whenever these type of machines are launched, लोग कहते हैं कि जब emission norms change होते हैं तो पोल्यूशन कम करने के लिए हम नई टेक्नोलॉजी लेके आते हैं। आपने ट्रक इंडस्ट्री में देखा होगा या कार इंडस्ट्री में देखा होगा, और उसके साथ क्या होता है कि मशीन की कीमत बढ़ जाती है, द कॉस्ट ऑफ द मशीन गोज अप। व्हाट JCB हैज डन इज, with a new machine, actually cost of running the machine will come down. So cost of machine will come down because the fuel efficiency is better. The cost of machine will come down because the productivity is better. The cost of utilizing the machine will come down because the maintenance durations have been changed. In addition to it, today the role of an operator is very important. If the operator is comfortable inside the machine, he will be able to operate the machine well. And we should realize that द मशीन का जो केबिन होता है वो ऑपरेटर की ऑफिस है। कई जगह पे 18 घंटे तक वो उसमें बैठे रहते हैं। सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक मिला है कि इसमें नॉइज बहुत कम है। तो आपको याद होगा कि कुछ 15-20 साल पहले एक कंपनी ने अपनी एड निकाली थी कि आवाज ही नहीं करता। तो JCB का जो नया मशीन है उसका केबिन ऐसा ही है, वो आवाज ही नहीं करता। तो उसके कारण ऑपरेटर विल बी एबल टू ऑपरेट द मशीन इन अ बेटर वे। एंड लास्ट पॉइंट, आवर फ्रेंड टॉक्ड अबाउट सेफ्टी। These machines are with ROPS FOPS. So अगर मशीन टॉपल हुआ उसके बाद भी the operators will be safe inside the machine. So what have we done? We have taken care of the fuel efficiency, we have taken care of the productivity, we have taken care of the operators' ease of using the machine, and on top of it, we are keeping it safe. But every machine, as it is used, sometimes there can be challenges. And one of the biggest challenge in this stage 5 technology is that the machine goes into regen. तो उसके लिए जो कालरा साहब ने कहा कि नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि मशीन के पास जाके आपको रीसेट करना पड़ता है। हमारे इंजीनियर ने फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड दिस इज नॉट देयर विद एनी अदर कंपनी, आई कैन टेल यू वेरी ओपनली, आप हर एक जगह पे जाइए, उनको पूछिए अपना डायग्नोस्टिक टूल क्या है। हमारा डायग्नोस्टिक टूल ये है कि ऑफिस में बैठ के हम मशीन में रीजन कर सकते हैं। उसके कारण क्या होगा कि शहरों में नहीं बट गाँव में जब मशीन यूज होंगी और जब ये तकलीफ होगी तो मशीन विल बी डाउन फॉर ए डे। Every hour the customer earns between 1000 rupees to 1300 rupees. तो उसकी आमदनी बंद हो जाती है जब मशीन अगर रीजन में चला गया। हमारी मशीन में हम ऑफिस में बैठ के उसको वापस शुरू कर सकते हैं। तो जो साइकिल किसी के जाने के बाद शुरू होती है वो ऑफिस में बैठ के हो सकता है। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिग चेंजर। हम आविष्कार की बात कर रहे हैं, इनोवेशन की बात कर रहे हैं। दिस इज अ ह्यूज इनोवेशन विच आवर टीम हैज डन। सो दिस विल रियली हेल्प द कस्टमर operate the machine in a better way. It's wonderful to have you all here. We are at JCB delighted to launch our latest range of stage 5 ready machines for our customers. This is in line with the government's vision on cutting down pollution, better emission standards, and also focus on improving or reducing the use of fossil fuel. I'm very pleased that our engineers have worked very hard on creating this new range of machines which have the fuel efficiency between 10 to 15% improvement on the previous versions, better productivity, better maintenance, lesser maintenance cost. But the most important part is the total cost of ownership of these machines is lower than the previous models. And from the pricing point of view also, we have kept it so competitive that compared to any of the emissions standard change in the past, this time we have the lowest increase in the cost. So overall, this is going to put more money back into the pocket of a customer for every hour of use of this machine. In addition to it, we have also looked from the safety point of view. There's a lot of debate on the road safety aspect. The safety of an operator is equally important when they operate these machines. We have given the ROPS FOPS cap which keeps the operator safe in case the machine topples for some use. Also from the ease of operation, the cabins have less noise. So the operators sit in this environment for hours together. So the operators will feel more comfortable. Also from the technology point of view, when we go into the stage 5 level, the regeneration etc. creates a lot of challenges for the customer. And that is why our engineers have come up with a remote diagnostic tool, because of which the customer does not have to wait for a service engineer to come to the machine. Sitting in the dealership or at JCB HQ, we can modify, and this will really benefit our customer because it will improve the uptime of the machine. So overall, if I look at it, the machine gives better fuel efficiency, better productivity, lower maintenance cost, lower total cost of ownership. एंड जैसे पहले कहते थे कि the noise is less, तो machine आवाज़ ही नहीं करता. So lot of benefits for our customer. The other benefit is that we have trained more than 5,500 engineers across all our dealerships. So the quality of service that the dealers will be able to offer to our customers will be much better. So overall, a fantastic opportunity for our customers.